Understanding the phrase, Artery of Equality. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Artery of Equality. This phrase isn't just a set of words, but a window into deep and engaging aspects of language and society. Let's dive into its meaning, origins, and usage. Firstly, let's understand the two key words, artery and equality. An artery is a major blood vessel in the body, but it's also used metaphorically to describe a central route or main channel in a system. Equality, on the other hand, refers to the state of being equal, especially in status, rights, or opportunities. When combined, Artery of Equality typically refers to something that acts as a main channel or pathway promoting equality. This could be a law, a social movement, a technological advancement, or even an educational method that significantly contributes to creating or maintaining equality among people. This phrase is particularly powerful in discussions about social justice, politics, or history. For example, in discussing the civil rights movement, one might say, the Voting Rights Act became an artery of equality, channeling greater political empowerment to marginalized communities. To better understand this phrase, imagine an artery in the human body, vital for distributing blood. Now, picture this artery as a symbol of something equally vital in society, distributing the lifeblood of equality to every part of it. The phrase, Artery of Equality, is more than just words. It's a symbol of hope, progress, and unity. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate its depth and significance. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and see you in our next video.